This is Dinkar from Groval Euler. I take this opportunity to introduce what we do. We are a sales performance enablement company. We provide a comprehensive sales enablement solution through our customized trainings, coaching sessions, structured reviews, advisory and leadership enablement. This helps your sales team to connect better with your prospects, accounts and key accounts. This also helps your team to build stronger relationships with multiple stakeholders in the client and prospect organization. It also assesses your readiness to reach out to the market potential. Also, on the overall, develops the coaching abilities of your managers and sales leaders. Some of the key outcomes: this helps on the ways to enhance higher levels of sales discipline and accountability in the team. It gives a clear roadmap for better sales management. It also provides input for coaching different kinds of performers. It also gives some inputs on the behaviors required for better sales leadership.